Hello and welcome to day one of our 3-day locksmith training course. It's held here at Bradford City Football Club, so we'll all meet in the reception and the hospitality suite of Bradford City. We'll all have a meet and greet session. We'll all have time to get to know each other, have a few little icebreakers so we're all nice and comfortable and relaxed. Upon entry to us locksmith training room, you'll be presented with a locksmith training manual. This is referred to as our Bible. In here you'll have reference points, locksmith identification, and also more importantly in the back of this book you're going to have blank pages for making notes. This book is going to be yours, you're going to keep it, you're going to take it away with you, and it's going to be a valuable piece of information. As opposed to the training manual, we're also going to present you with a product catalogue book. Inside this product catalogue book, again, it has live pictures of locks, mechanism, handles and also tools. So again, you're going to keep that. Within the next few days, we're going to cross-reference your book to your training manual and you're going to see how valuable they're going to become. This is day one of our locksmith training 3-day school. We're going to be covering pin locks. We're going to be covering all types of pin locks, from Yale locks, Euro cylinders, oval cylinders. By the time you've completed today, you're going to know everything there is to know about this particular type of lock. We're going to be able to identify everything that's inside it. We're also going to be able to open it. We're not going to just be able to open it in one or two ways. This particular lock, I'm going to show you 5 different entry methods to get into this lock. They're going to be non-destructive and destructive, but as we're building your knowledge, we're going to be building your confidence. So if you come up to a pin lock, a particular type of lock in a customer's door, if the first way doesn't work, you're going to move on to the second, third, fourth, then fifth. Guarantee you by the time that you've used all those methods, all that knowledge that I'm going to give you and all those tools that's available to you, you will be able to open that door and you will be able to satisfy that customer. Hello and welcome to day 2 of our 3-day locksmith training course. Day 2, we're going to have plenty of time to recap over day 1. We're going to have some questions and answers just to make sure that you're fully aware and that after you've slept on it, you've remembered what I've taught you in day 1. Just a quick 5-minute session. Once we've completed that, we're going to move on to lever locks. Lever locks, sash locks, deadlocks. We're going to start with the basic 3 lever locks. 3 lever locks now should only be in internal doors, but they're still out there, you still do need to know how to open them up. So we're going to work on 3 lever locks and I'm going to show you how to open them with 2 pieces of wire. As simple as that. We're then going to move on to what we call our British standard locks. Now these British standard locks have got all the security built into them to have the British standard kite mark. We're going to identify these locks through a process of elimination. We're going to drill these locks open, so we're going to measure the drill points. We're actually going to have hands-on experience at the vice with the drill, physically opening these locks. And also we're going to be showing you the principles of picking these locks. So not just one way again, we're going to be showing you many different ways of opening lever locks. Because this is only a 3-day intensive course, we do have quite a lot to fit in, a lot of tasks to do to meet the syllabus criteria. So as well as lever locks, we are going to be showing you what we call wafer locks and tubular locks. These you'll find on post boxes, electronic safe override keys, fruit machines and pool tables. We're going to be doing a little bit of jiggling, which is quite fun. And before we finish day 2, we're going to be demonstrating and giving you the chance to use our revolutionary tool called the puller, the lock puller, which we use on PVC doors, which you may find interesting. Welcome to day 3 of our training course, the final day. On day 3 we're going to concentrate primarily on PVC doors and PVC locking mechanisms. We've already done Euro cylinders and pin locks, so we've already been able to open the doors due to lost key scenarios. Now we're going to be able to identify mechanisms and open UPVC doors due to failed, damaged, mistreated or broken UPVC mechanisms. It happens on a regular basis where the customer leaves the house, they close the door, they lift the handle, something breaks inside, the handle then no longer works. It may spin round or it may jam solid. So day 3 we're going to show you the processes and tools that you're going to need to physically open those damaged mechanisms. Then we're going to give you the opportunity to strip, identify and rebuild lots of different types of mechanisms. We're then going to identify the mechanisms, so we're going to run through all the different manufacturers that's available. We're going to show you how to measure and identify that lock. So once you've opened the door, once you've removed the mechanism from the door, you're going to be able to identify that mechanism. You're going to be able to repair it or replace it.